What if I told you that broccoli can be the star of your snack game? Get ready for cheesy broccoli bites that will have you coming back for more. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're turning broccoli into a mouth-watering snack in just a few simple steps. If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button and let's dive right in. Scoop some thick yogurt into a bowl. Toss in the ingredients mentioned on the screen. Add in your paste, then season with salt and pepper and stir until it's well combined. Add just a little water to help blend it all into a rough paste. In the meantime, blanch your broccoli florets and after cooling for a little bit, coat them in your marinade. Then add a hint of cinnamon and let them chill for about 10 minutes. And then sprinkle some cornstarch to absorb any excess water while the oven heats up. Preheat the oven to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit and on a baking sheet spread those marinated florets in a single layer. Slide them in and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for those golden edges because that's where the magic happens. When they're beautifully cooked, pull them out and let them rest for a moment. Plate these bad boys up alongside your favorite dipping sauce, and if you love this, smash that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more such tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.